2009, very severe drought. People were really scared what will be available or not. So in January 2010, we approached the collector for a tree felling issue. So during that conversation, we had a chance to say to the collector that we will take over some public spaces like lakes, and those lakes we will start reviving. As we know, all the lakes mostly are done artificially, but perform a very important function. Earlier, when a township or a village had to be created, a water body had to be created. British people designed it and delivered the work. This was an irrigation channel. 4 channels were designed, and it was irrigating almost 350 acres downstream. Well, with expansion, urbanization, very few farmlands remain. They are not dependent on the previous irrigation channel. Borewells have come. Before 2009 or 2010, before we took over the lake, the state was that garbage was being dumped plenty here. The water got very polluted. So 2010, February, the collector accorded us an unofficial permission to clean the lake. So we properly printed pamphlets. School especially took the lead, spoke to the parents, sent messages, SMS. Pamphlets were distributed to the public, and no surprising, 700, 800 people landed up. You desealed the soil, we're not supposed to send it outside. So we need to also deseal the lake. We needed also a big green cover. We need a lot of trees to be planted. So we created these islands, and creating one island took us 1 day. Big machine was employed. It is a costly thing. 25,000 per day was needed. So we called citizens, friends and family, and a lot of volunteers called their friends. So a new community started evolving, and people donated very liberally. In November, the same year, the lake got filled up. And what a sight it was. Once we were done with the lake, we shifted attention to the bund. We planted millets initially on the bund so that erosion doesn't happen. Millets will immediately sprout, and the fertile soil helped the trees grow. In 6 months, trees went 10 feet high, which was something wonderful. We were all so happy about it. It took shape. Then we came out of the lake. Water had come in, we came out of the lake. Now we had to concentrate upon the bund. And because they release fishes, birds come to the lake. So this whole eco cycle is kick-started. And if people are able to acknowledge that connection between what this lake does to their own life, it will be great. We are quite happy that this has become a space for citizens to come and connect to a public space that rightfully belongs to them. Inside the city, this has become a major eco-environment hotspot which needs to be protected at all costs.